Welcome to the Legal Awareness Week of 2024. This year's theme is Laws for the People, by the People, Empowering Citizen Participation. I want to say that this year we have seen a lot of activities going on in our country, especially in the lawmaking processes. We've seen that the courts have revoked and held some laws unconstitutional for lack of participation. So this week's theme is an emphasis that the people are an integral part in the law-making processes, so they must be involved through public participation so that they get to decide the laws which are going to govern them. So that is why this year's theme is Laws for the People, by the People.
Mayaka, mkaaji wa Kisii. Hapa ni Kisii Main Court. Nilikuja hapa kwa kesi yangu na nikapata kampuni ikiwa inatuadvise. Wametuadvise juu ya mashamba. Kama uko na kesi ya shamba, uko na kesi yoyote inakusumbua kuhusu kotini, utakuja hapa kwa advice jinsi ambavyo utafanya hiyo kesi na wakuadvise jinsi ambavyo utamaliza hiyo kesi yako.
Tony, Law School President, Kisii University. I want to thank first and foremost the Law Society of Kenya Southwest Branch for such an integral and insight participation to involve the people in ensuring that they are well educated on matters to do with the law and they are informed on issues to do with the law. We intend to carry on this activity for the entire week, and students from throughout the country will also be a part of us.
We are at the age of information. Nowadays, people are well informed, and I think whatever Gen Zs were doing is provided for in the law, and we have seen that the result of those demonstrations. You saw that the finance bill was rejected at the end. So you can see that it is the people form an integral part in the leadership and the governance of this country. And I could say, compared to 10 years ago, we have a journey. We have walked through, and this time round, the voice of the people is being heard. The country is governed by the rule of law, and everyone is equal before the law, and in fact, our constitution has dedicated a whole section for the people who have been arrested. Let me say the accused persons. They must be subject to a fair hearing processes. They should not be hit. They should not be tortured. They should not be killed without being given a chance to be heard.